How to use Capitec Virtual Card 2024. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can use the Capitec Virtual Card. So the first thing you have to do is download the Capitec app on your mobile device. Now, down to the cards at the bottom, there's a toolbar. You're going to tap on the cards, and right over here you can see that you have your virtual card. And now the top of the page, you can see that it says virtual. You're going to tap on that. Now, once you've tapped on the virtual, you can see now that it says you can add a free virtual card. So you can go ahead now and tap on the add virtual card. And now you can set your limits such as your cash withdrawal limits, card machine purchases, and then your online scan to pay. Once it's done, we're going to tap on the next, and right here you just have to agree with the agreement and just click check on the both and click accept. And now you can use your virtual card as you would with a regular card. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.